Ah, no tow truck yet. Why is there going to be a tow truck right over here? It's because this thing doesn't want to go into drive. So let me show you what's going on here. Alright, so we'll push in the brakes. Parking brake goes away. There's a warning. Let's take a look. Oh, well, you saw what it was. Alright. Foot on brake. Put it in gear. No go. Not going anywhere. Put it in drive. And nothing. As you can also see, I'm losing a lot of air pretty quick. That was something else I had noticed. So let's pop that. We'll actually have them both pulled because, like I said, I'm waiting for a tow truck. So we could go here, click here, review warnings, and trailer's been disconnected. It hasn't been disconnected. The computer's just stupid. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. So until the tow truck shows up, I'm going to Rain-X my windows. So I just got some Rain-X and some bug windshield washer fluid. Rain-X, of course. And we're going to clean this window down until the tow truck gets here. And then I'll bring you guys back and we'll watch the hookup. So see you guys soon. Hey, it's been a while. So, for my original OGs, you guys will know the hotel thing. Goes back to when I first joined Swift. For those that have seen those early Swift videos. But anyway, so here's where we're at right now. Truck's in the shop. Transmission's kind of doing the same thing it did with Dopey Duck. I'm hoping it's not going to be a long-term thing. This is going to be a short video because I really don't know any information. You guys know as much as I do right now. Truck was towed, doesn't go in gear, and it's just being a relative. I had all those other words. Fun stuff. Anyway, today's Friday. Hoping to hear something back tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it will be Monday. Transmission issues. That's what it looks like. So I'll probably do another video tomorrow, kind of going into a little bit more detail than what I have, partly because I don't remember what all I said in this video. Because like I said, this has been an ongoing saga today. I forgot what time it is even right now. I know that I just ate some food that my girlfriend packed for me. And I'm about to crash in that bed. Hopefully tomorrow brings a slightly better day with a diagnosis of exactly what's going wrong with the truck. We shall see. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And do know, this is trucking. We're driving mechanical things. They break. Time that you don't want them to. It's precisely when they will. Have a good one.